Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create MOMO NFT in Mobox. Mobox is a GameFi platform built on the Binance Smart Chain BSC that combines DeFi farming with NFTs inside the Mobox. NFTs are called MOMOs. These MOMOs are not manually drawn or uploaded like art NFTs. Instead, they are generated through the platform's mystery box create system. So when people say create a MOMO NFT, it actually means obtaining a MOMO by opening a mystery box or through the gameplay rewards. So here's how to do it. First, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down mobox.io and enter it over here. Once you reach into this interface of your Mobox IO, in the top right corner we can find this wallet section here. Click onto this wallet here and you can select any of this wallet, or you can simply, and on the Mobox NFTs momos are not created a clearly labeled Momo creates tab like you might expect. Instead, you obtain momos by opening a mystery boxes here. You can go to this box, all of this mystery box, you can find it here. You can connect to your wallet in the top right, and you can also create a MetaMask here. And over here you'll see your newly created NFT with its stats and rarity. Momos are random generated. You cannot manually design one. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.